Alright guys, so in this quick little video I am going to be ceramic coating the newly painted and cleared body on the Yamaha G29 golf cart. First step is I use CarPro eraser. It's all it is all isopropyl alcohol spray. Make sure you have a clean towel, if not brand new. So first you go over everything on the golf cart with that, and then you can start. So you want to make sure you get everything really good with this that you want to ceramic coat. You can ceramic coat almost anything on this. I'm going to do the trim around the headlights, the trim around the bottom, but you want to make sure it's clean, because if it's not, whatever's caught in there, it's going to be caught under the ceramic coat. You're going to see it, and you're not going to be able to get it off until the ceramic coat wears off. Okay, so right now I got everything done with the isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to do all the bezels are on the lights. I'm going to do the black trim piece on each side, as well as the Yamaha one back here. This, after the rear seat's on, you can't really see, plus it collects with dust and debris, and I'm not worried about that at all. So, I do kind of regret not painting the dash, but I have future hopes to cover it with carbon fiber. So that's why I didn't do that. You can buy kits that just fit right around it that are carbon fiber, locking doors and all that kind of stuff, so I just left it for now. But like I said, it's really important to have this, you know, first I polished everything to make it as clean as possible and neat, you know what I mean? You don't want any swirl marks or anything like that. So seeing how I just painted this is why I'm going to get this ceramic coat on here. So let's get to it. Alright, here we go. Take a brand new towel, brand new, and buff it off. There you go, guys. Now we're going to let it cure for 48 to 72 hours. Then we'll be good.